Hello kids, let's learn new shapes and colors. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start the video. Kids, these are our colors. These are our colors. Colors. These are our colors. This is black color. Let's draw the shapes and symbols. This is right arrow. It is a symbol. It is 4-pointed star. This is cylinder. Heart. Rounded rectangle. This is sun. Let us color these shapes and symbols. This is blue color. Right arrow. Fluorescent yellow. Four-pointed star. Red color. Cylinder, it is 3D shape. Pink color. This is heart. Olive green. This is rounded rectangle. Orange color. This is sun. Right arrow. Four-pointed star. Cylinder. Heart. Rounded rectangle. Sun. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.